Hello, everyone. Today, we will practice the word these. Let's practice together. These. These files. These files are important. I need these files.
Please check these files.
These reports are ready. Can you send these reports?
These emails need a reply.
I will read these emails.
These meetings are long.
We have these meetings today.
These tasks are urgent. Please finish these tasks.
These documents are signed.
I will file these documents.
These phones are new. These phones work well. These chairs are comfortable. We use these chairs daily.
These ideas are creative.
I like these ideas.
These plans need review.
Let's discuss these plans. Thank you for practicing with me. Please subscribe, like, and share VocabStick. See you again tomorrow.